Hi there, Nick here from Tech Radar. If you're running out of shows to watch and need something fun to binge, then we've got you covered. Here are our picks of what to watch this July only on Netflix Middle East. Say I Do features deserving couples who have always intended to marry, but for one reason or the other were never able to make their big day a reality. The show dives into the love lives of these couples and finds out what matters most to them when they tie the knot. 3 experts will help the groom with a plan to surprise their spouse-to-be with a personalized proposal, followed by their dream wedding. Based on the upcoming book of the same name, Cursed is a reimagining of the Arthurian legend told through the eyes of Nimue, a teenage heroine with a mysterious gift who is destined to become the powerful Lady of the Lake. Over the course of her journey, Nimue will become a symbol of courage and rebellion against the terrifying Red Paladins and their complicit King Uther. Five warned his family that using his powers to escape from Vanya's 2019 apocalypse was risky, and he was right. The time jump scatters the siblings in time in and around Dallas, Texas starting in 1960. Now, the Umbrella Academy must find a way to reunite, figure out what caused Doomsday and put a stop to it, all while being hunted by a trio of ruthless Swedish assassins. Inspired by the manga novels, Warrior Nun revolves around a 19-year-old woman who wakes up in a morgue with a new lease on life and a divine artifact embedded in her back. She discovers she is now part of an ancient order that has been tasked with fighting demons on Earth, and powerful forces representing both heaven and hell want to find and control her. And those are our top picks of what to watch this month. For more recommendations and everything in the world of tech, stay tuned right here at techradar.com.